Yo, what is up, guys? Today we're going to be showcasing our new Cooko V4. So first of all, you're going to join down and go to time to download. Hold on, this man said there's a virus, and you're going to click this. You're going to download it. It's going to download. Hopefully, watch. Download. Okay, it should download. But it's probably because I already have it installed. You're then going to extract it, and you'll have the folder. So open up the folder. And no, this is not a virus. This is just a method to get free reload. You're going to open up cooko.exe. Well, actually, no. First, read the readme.txt. Run cooko.exe to start. For password, join our Discord server. Click the start button and then complete your captcha. And yeah. We have our new login system and premium. DM me on the Discord. Discord link is right here. So make sure to go down that and join that. It's going to be down below. So let's get into it. So cooko.exe, it needs an update. So hold on. I don't remember having it as an update. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just had to edit that real quick because it was broken. Okay, now it should work. I was just testing with the auto updater feature. So you're gonna press this start button right here. You're gonna press start. You're then gonna go back here. You're gonna enter your Roblox username. So I'm gonna put it as, for this video, I'm gonna put it as Roblox. And then the password will be found in the server. The password right now is John Gamer Doe. And then you enter, and then boom, it should start running V4 of Cooko. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and basically okay, yeah, hope, and we're just, it does the usual thing. This guy thinks it's a virus. It is not a virus. I repeat, it is not a virus. It is made in Python, and you can always virus total this on virus total. And yeah, I would never harm you guys like this. Yeah, that's basically it. It does send Git requests, so that may be the only reason why it is being so called as a virus. No, it is not. Probably should have virus scan to make sure that it doesn't leak any of this code that I have. And yeah, then you go back here, base scroll, and press enter. It closes, and sent the me. And on this new update, it also sends me your Roblox username. So yeah, can't really tell you much. It works really well. I recommend you guys to use this, and peace out. Have a good day.